everybody. Today I'm going to show you how we can read engine ECU for Audi A3 simos 3.3 on the bench by terminal tool. So let's go to choose the ECU. Here we are choosing simos 3.3A and using the connect. Here terminal trying to read ECU. Okay, done. We can here read EEPROM and the flash data. Here we can open the memory dump and use the read EEPROM, and it show the terminal read the dump. Here we can save the file, and here we can go to see how we can read the flash also. Read flash, the terminal beginning read. Here the blue system is showing how he read the flash also. Here the terminal read completely on the bench without dismount the ECU. Just connect little wiring to engine ECU pins by K line, and he read us the EEPROM and the flash, and we can also read and write the EEPROM and the flash. So here he show us how done to read. Okay, finish. Here he show us the flash dump. Okay, everything is done correctly. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck.